Friends, question: what are the expectation of your client? What exactly your client expect from you? I can say what exactly your manager is expecting from you if you are in a job right now working as any post. Okay, and if you are a manager, definitely what are the expectations? So this word expectation is actually much more need to be focused and much more need to be resolved in terms of IT when it comes. So basically, IT field is a support industry field. I can't say that IT industry is there for like a manufacturing industry or something. So as I said, expectations. If you fulfill the requirement of your client, if you fulfill the requirement of your boss or precisely your client, then definitely you are in, otherwise you are out. So what do you think, what they expect? So there are two different, let's say, the verticals where they are expecting something out of you. So vertical number one is what technical, and second one is functional. So when we are talking about the technical things, what they expect from you, they expect that you are able to monitor their complete system. When I say system, it may be a cloud, it may be a server, it may be any other things which is related to their data. So that is what they want. That is the first part, monitoring part. Okay. Second part is a troubleshooting part. So if something went wrong somewhere, you should be able to resolve it, you should be able to identify it, you should be able to resolve it. Okay, troubleshooting part, second one. The third one is performance and the tuning. Performance means you have to make sure that every time, whenever let's say any job is going on, any process is going on, whenever any system is working, right? So it will work up to the mark every time. That's your job. And if it is not, then you are able to tune that one. So what are those three things technically they expect from you? One is monitoring, second one is troubleshooting, and third one is tuning, performance and tuning. These three things. Okay. Apart from that, they nowadays they want let's say to extract let's say the required reports from you. Fourth one. So you must be able to extract the report as per the requirement of your client. That is the fourth one. And the fifth one, that is again very important, is what you should be able to predict their business. You should be able to predict about a data. So how many things are there? 5 things. First one is what you're monitoring. Second one is what you're troubleshooting. Third is what you're performance and tuning. Fourth one is what you're reporting, and fifth one is what you're prediction about your data. Means how let's say on what track the business is right now going on, and how the business is actually working at this point, and then in the future what are the, let's say, the expectations. Okay. Now that is let's say can be resolved with the help of technical things, technical expertise. Okay, but apart from that, we have a second vertical, that is what called the functional things. When I say functional, it means what you can work on any domain. Means IT business is suitable for any domain. Let's say retail environment, let's say telecom environment, or any other environment. Rather, I can say banking, finance. There are multiple in each and every let's say domain. IT industry is there. So the job of IT industry at technical level is to provide these 5 important, let's say, aspects. But to, let's say, fulfill these aspects, these 5 major points, he or she who is working as an IT professional should be aware how exactly the business is working. Because unless and until if you don't know how the business is working, you become doing some kind of a monotonous job only. Monotonous job means a routine type of a job. Means if in case of monitoring, you are aware that you need to monitor only those particular sessions or space related things, and so many other things. Okay, about the troubleshooting, you might be aware, means if something went wrong for the particular job is not working right now or something, you must be able to rerun the job or troubleshoot, find out, let's say, what may be the problem behind it, and then resume the job. Okay. About the performance and tuning, you should be able to, let's say, find out the estimated time, then what are maybe the drawbacks. Most of the time, by collecting the statistic, I'm just talking about some technical terminology, you can resolve it. I'm not saying that it is easy task, but it is kind of a monotonous task normally we are doing. And definitely I'm going to cover all those topics in much more detail, don't worry, in my coming videos. Apart from that, extracting the reports, we have a tools available. As I said, the prediction, but now the point is what, when we are talking about the prediction of your business. Prediction, it means what? We are estimating something. We are thinking about in which direction my business is going on right now. And then after down the line, after a 5 years or a 4 year span or a 3 year span, right, where it could be. So in that scenario, one should first of all understand how the business actually works. Most of the time what happens, our background is a technical background. Okay. So about the business terminologies, we hardly aware. Okay. So here I want to discuss with you what are the major business terminologies available. So friends, as per my experience, till date, what I found, your business is basically divided into three major aspects, three major categories. One is your service industry. Second is your manufacturing industry. And the third one is your trading industry. So your entire business, you can check your any business, your entire business is actually follow any of these three. So we being into IT industry, we are into service industry. So there are manufacturing industries as well. There are trading industries as well. Trading means we are, let's say, the person or a company who is dealing let's say, dealing in export and import kind of a business. So they are into the trading. I'm not saying exporting and importing that should be from the foreign land only. It can be from state to state. It can be from the city to city as well. Okay. I found that in, let's say, in any of this business class, okay, business category, there are two major aspects which are very much common. Sales and the purchase. So friends, in business, these are the two major aspects. Sale, you are selling something, and purchase means you are purchasing something. Excuse me, commerce guys, because we are not from the commerce background. So I'm trying to explain all those terms, not in very technical commerce language, but in the terms of our, let's say, my friends and my teammates, they can understand, technical people can understand. Okay, sales and the purchase. Okay, when we talked about the sales, we are talking about the products. When we talked about the sales, we might be talking about the selling of any services as well. Okay, so there are a number of things that your client may need to sell. So we have to first of all find it out. What are the products that they are selling? Is they are manufacturing those products and that they are selling, or they are trading it, or they are selling the services only. Okay, how it differs? Because once you understand the track of their business, then you should probably able to predict their business. So first of all, understanding the data is nothing but to understand their business, let's say, the terminology in a terms of, as I said, sales and the purchase. When I say sales and the purchase, definitely account is the another part. Definitely money comes whether you are selling something or whether you are purchasing something. So you have to, let's say, focus on the accounting part as well. So I'm not here talking about the credit and the debit part or something like that. No, I'm saying accounting part. Accounting means whatever the money goes out and whatever the money comes into your client, let's say into your client business, for your client business. So friends, these are the major things that we have to look every time whenever we, let's say, study any business in a terms of data prediction. So friends, in my coming video as well, I try to focus it on much more into all of those aspects. My new batch for about the data management and data science is likely to start from the let's say the last week of November. I will display my dates and everything. It will definitely be online as well as the classroom training. Okay, session. Thank you very much.